Hey guys, it's me over here, and today I am here with Maisie. We're doing this for 4 talent and we're swapping over computers. So let's get straight into the video.
Okay guys, 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, I've lost Sims 4. There it is. So I'm going to make a sim on Millie's account, and then I'm going to show you it, and Millie is going to create it how she would have done it. So she's going to get the sim off the gallery again and did it how she was going to do it. So yes, 1 second.
She's a mermaid.
So let me do it. I finished the sim, so I'm just going to show you guys. Okay. So her name is Elle Woods. I copied it from Legally Blonde because I did Elle and then I remembered Elle Woods, so I called her Elle Woods. So this is her face. Millie has absolutely no custom content, so this is what I had to deal with. Okay, guys, it was awful. I know. This is her outfit. Hope you like it. This is her formal outfit. Her athletic, that hair over it, her sleepwear, her party wear, her swimwear, her hot weather day, and her cold weather. And I want you to comment down below if you like her. And so Millie is going to recreate her how she would have done her. So Millie will be back with you guys now.
Okay, let me see what she done now. We'll hack the info over here. Right, what has he do?
I just realised that every time I do
the blooming hair.
Okay, so I'm going to see what Millie has done and recreate her how I would have done it.
Them high heels look like an elf.
What?
Do you have to recreate?
Okay, let's screenshot it.
How do I screenshot this?
That.
Man, how do I
I'll screenshot it later for you. So I'm going to save it to the gallery right now and recreate it. I'll save it to the gallery so you can recreate her.
Let me see what it is. Oh, these are nice. Okay.
Save to gallery. Okay, pause your video for a sec.
Okay,
Okay, guys,
we're
so
gonna be back. She's gonna have done recreating it, and you, I don't know if you like it or not.
Comment down below who you like better and mine.
Yeah, yeah. Comment down below who you like, because we will. Right, so this is what I done.
So I recreated her,
And then I love these.
who you like better.
Look how cute that is, and look how cute them boots are.
And then I think I have to hair because it suits her. This is my face.
What are you
and this is her
doing?
outfit. Comment down below if you like better mine and Millie's. So I'm going to
Right.
upload it to my gallery.
Look how different they are.
My gallery name
Well,
down below. It's just me.
Ellie Woods. Ellie Woods.
Yeah. Yeah, and I hope you like
Hey,
this video,
you
guys.
really have to say
Guys, see you next time. Bye.
Okay, I'm gonna see you guys next time. Goodbye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye bye. Bye.